We want to prove that CJF, where is that? CJF is congruent to this one over here. We're going to use the congruent supplement theorem. I've got enough to get the big triangles congruent right now. That's going to make these two inside angles the same. And then I'm going to call out, let's number them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 and 3 are going to be CP-CTC'd as congruent. They're both supplementary to 1 and 4, and I can use the congruent supplement theorem because I have a set of congruent angles supplementary to another set. That other set has to be congruent as well. Let's get it on. We've got angle D congruent to angle F. That's given. DC is going to be congruent to FG, also given. C is going to be congruent to G, given. And that's going to give me my two triangles. Triangle DCH congruent to triangle FGJ. And angle side angle will give us that right there. At this point, I'm going to start calling things out that I want. Angle 2 and angle 3, CP-CTC. I know that angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary. Definition of linear pair. And then I've got angle 3 and angle 4 are also supplementary. Also definition of linear pair. And right here, I can go for it. Do I want to? Yeah, we'll just call it out. CJF. That way it matches the proof. Is congruent to angle GHE by congruent supplement theorem. Remember that we called CJF, that's angle 1. GHE is angle 4. Those are the same 1 and 4 congruent because they are congruent to, they are supplement to a pair of congruent angles. Congruent supplement theorem. If you don't use this, you can always go in and say the measure of angle 2 is equal to the measure of angle 3. The measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 is 180. The measure of angle 3 plus the measure of angle 4 is 180. And then use your equalities to get the 180s equal. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 plus 4. You know 1 and 2 and 3 are equal. You drop those. You get 1 is equal to 4, and then you switch it over to congruency. That's the long way to do it. Congruent supplement theorem says just that. So using it cuts out those steps. Super handy.